Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and if you're a person who is really passionate about taking pictures, or if you are a photographer, then you probably own a camera. Now in my case, this camera right here is a really special one for me. This is the Canon PowerShot SX130IS, and the reason why this camera is so special to me is because it was with me while I was growing up. And it has some really beautiful memories from my childhood and also from my early teenage years. So this camera has a really special place in my heart. And also something I'd like to mention about this camera is that it's really good. It takes some really good quality pictures. And also I love the size of this camera because it is so lightweight and so easy to just carry around. And also, I really like that it's so easy to use. It's pretty simple to take pictures and videos and to then play those videos and see those pictures. So I also like that it's also easy to store, and also that it works pretty simply. It works with batteries that you can recharge. So basically, I love everything about this camera, but I especially love that it has so many nice memories of me with my family. And also, I really love that I can continue to use it up to this day. And that is my point of view.